At this point, our biggest tool to increase profitability is Motive. We were using a different platform before joining Motive, and it was telling us we were great drivers. There was a 3-week period where we did not receive any harsh event alerts.
The last platform, it wasn't as helpful. It was always the same thing going off, or it wasn't going off for what needed to be. You could have your phone in your hand for however long before it says something, if it even catches it. Or you take out your wallet and you have your wallet in your hand and it's saying to get off the phone. It was just not as advanced as I found with Motive.
Once we signed up with Motive, that's when we saw the harsh detection come back and we got a true sense as to what's happening on the road. Just the data alone allows us to make better decisions, coach our teams better to ensure they're being safe. There was anxiety with the switch from one platform to Motive. However, that was probably the easiest change we've ever made. It takes less than 10 minutes per vehicle, and we took out the previous units, and within a few days, everything was installed.
Before, we were spending, anywhere 3-5 minutes signing into an app with our last platform and assigning ourselves to a truck. Now that we've been using Motive, the facial recognition makes it so we can just hop in the trucks and we're good to go. If there's 10, 12 teams out there, 5 minutes apiece, you can just do the math. In the week, you're saving a few hours just from those couple minutes. I think the best part about it is that all the truck team members can see their harsh events. Now we have it on our phones, so we can see exactly what we did wrong, what we need to work on, and can practically coach ourselves now.
And once we implemented the cameras and we increased our training efforts, we were able to see a reduction in insurance costs at renewal. The previous vendor kind of just decided that they had the business. They no longer had to impress us, and Motive's team has done a tremendous job of listening to what we want and need and making sure that comes to life. The ease of installing the units, the team behind Motive, the sales team, the tech team, everyone's been tremendous to ensure our success within their platform. And really, we've seen that the pieces are coming together to better position our company for safety as well as increase profitability at the same time. Motive really keeps everyone safe. I can truly believe that we've prevented accidents from occurring, but we also maintain a better fleet with the technology that Motive has.